you guys with my friends, Richen, Perez. Also, yeah, look at me, guys. So, I'm thirsty also. I need to find water, but
7-Eleven dura.
but we need to go there. We need to go there to 7-Eleven. Oh my God. It's sunny day.
Ang gawin mo, focus mo mama na.
We have here burger. Burger, burger. And this is Damitsumi. Next, guys, dito na ako mag-work. Nagpa-process lang ako ng requirements. After dito, we're going to orientation. After this, mag-medical pa kami. Dami namin Tapos yung pera lang namin dito, guys, is 200. Yung pagpunta namin dito, guys, dun kami nakatira sa Ginsay, Danao. Nakapunta kami dito sa Sabang. We have 200 pesos only. We have 200 only. That's my friend. So stressed. That was the perfect place. I need to find water because I'm so stressed.